I just wanted you guys to hear the sound of this Maserati. This is an SUV. It's a GTS Levante. Ah, it is so nice.
He said you can get tomorrow.
Oh, okay, we're gonna rev it. Do you know how to rev it?
Teach him how to do it.
Nick, it's the pedal on the right. Oh. I'm dying over here. This is amazing. Oh my heck. Wow. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. In my description, I do have referral links. They have referral bonuses and ways for you to save money in life. Just simple ways of doing the exact same thing you already do every day.